Sharp R-21LVF microwave oven, great choice. Sharp R-21LVF microwave oven. This Sharp R-21LVF microwave oven is a medium-duty commercial microwaves featuring the durable quality and easy maintenance of stainless steel interiors. It has 20 memory pads that allow you to program the perfect power level and time settings. It is perfect for smaller kitchens that do not require volume cooking, and ideal for defrosting, heating up or cooking small food items. With computerized touch controls, this microwave provides 10 programmable memories with 1-second increment timing, and built-in safeguards to prevent unauthorized changes. SPESIFIKASI, enhance your line with this stainless steel microwave. Countertop cooking has never been easier. With 20 memory pads that allow you to program the perfect power level and time settings, it's a restaurant favorite. Sharp stainless steel microwaves are renowned for their durability and convenience. They can handle whatever chefs dish out without taking up too much space. Specs, unit dimensions, 21/2 and number 34 WX12 1/8 and number 34 HX16 and number 34 D. Capacity, 1.0 CUFT. Cavity dimensions, 13/7/8 and number 34 WX8 1/8 and number 34 X14 5/8 and number 34 D. Unit weight, 37 pounds. Output power, 1000 watts. Power required, 120 V, 60 Hz, 1.6 kW, 14 amps, and cord length, 60 and number 34 L.
Testimony and review. Sharp R-21LVF microwave oven works like a champ. Very heavy duty. Also comes with braille on the control panel. This was a critical feature as I work at Industries for the Blind in Asheville, NC, and we needed the braille so our folks could easily eat their lunches and snacks. SPESIFIKASI, enhance your line with this stainless steel microwave. Countertop cooking has never been easier. With 20 memory pads that allow you to program the perfect power level and time settings, it's a restaurant favorite. Sharp stainless steel microwaves are renowned for their durability and convenience. They can handle whatever chefs dish up without taking up too much space. Specs, unit dimensions, 20 and 1/2 and number 34. WX12 and 1/8 and number 34. HX16 and number 34. D. Capacity, 1.0 cubic foot. Cavity dimensions, 13 and 7/8 and number 34. WX8 and 1/8 and number 34. X14 and 5/8 and number 34. D. Unit weight, 37 pounds. Out.